Docker Tech, and today we have the OnePlus Bud Z Steven Harrington edition. Now OnePlus Bud Z came out a few months back and it was an instant hit because it provided really good substance for the money it came in. So now OnePlus decided to partner with Steven Harrington, a Los Angeles based designer, to give this cool makeover to their OnePlus Bud Z. So we will see how much substance adds to the style.
Now coming to the unboxing, we get this box consistent with the theme of a dual tone finish of lavender and mint, the branding on the front and the Steven Harrington logo on the side. The back features the pricing, which is Rs 36.99, a premium of Rs 700 over the regular OnePlus Bud Z. And we get the features on the other side: the bass boost, the design, 20-hour battery life, the water resistance and seamless connectivity. So finally, let's open this up. And wow, you're greeted with this beautiful case against this white backdrop. Both the case and the white background is adorned with the iconic Steven Harrington style caricatures of a unique character called Cool Cat, which is designed for these earbuds. Now below this we get another blue box which has all the accessories. They have the words "Birds for Life" written on it. And as we open it up, inside we get the warranty card first, and this red cable club card, some more paperwork, and there's no wireless charging support for this, but we do get red colored USB type C for charging. And finally we also get some extra ear tips which you can use to find your best fit for these particular buds. Now coming to the case, it gets a dual tone paint job of mint and lavender, which looks extremely cool in my opinion. And they also carry this matte finish unlike the vanilla Bud Z, which makes them look more premium. And on the inside, our buds also carry the same dual tone finish with the graffiti treatment all over them like the case outside. We get this indicator light in front and our case shuts magnetically, which is cool. However, I struggled with the one-handed opening test. Now one thing I didn't like is the arrangement of these buds inside this horizontal case. It's weird that every time I take them out or have to put them back in, I have to turn them around. I really struggle with this, and this is a design flaw and they should have come with a vertical case instead. Now talking about the buds, they have this silicone tips and an in-ear design, which is good. And they also have this dual tone finish where the touch panel has one color and the rest of the body has another color. Kudos to Steven Harrington, this design is amazing. Now putting them back in, I really like that they are light and they attach inside with these magnets. Now before I talk more about the design, at the back we get a type C port and this button for quick connect. So talking about the design now, like I said, Harrington is based in Los Angeles and has designed characters like Mello, and much of his work is based on graffiti art where he uses bright colors, and these are some of his work from his website, and they give off a very unique psychedelic feeling. And he's brought on the same design language onto these buds, which is really cool. Now feature wise, these buds are the same as the vanilla Bud Z. They have the same 10mm dynamic drivers with bass boost technology and the support for Dolby Atmos sound, which you can only take advantage of if you are using an OnePlus device. Now they do support Bluetooth 5.0 and they seamlessly connected to all my devices, and I've had no issues with connectivity even while using them from the other room. Now talking about the sound quality, I think they sounded pretty good for the price they came in. It's a bass heavy sound signature, so yeah, if you listen to a lot of EDMs, it's great. The lows are really fantastic. The highs have been good too, but the mids are where they struggled. The sound was a bit hollow and muddy. The instrument separation was a bit off, but they'll be great for day-to-day pop and EDMs, and not so much for podcasts and classical music. But I'll give them a rating of 8.5 out of 10. Now coming to the touch controls, you do get this double tap feature on either earbud, which you can map to the 4 preset options. And also there is a feature for a long press and hold, which can help you switch between the current device and the previously paired device. There's also support for AAC codec, which I found great in a earbud costing less than 4,000 rupees. And also the fit is amazing. They fit in very snugly, and the in-ear design helps cancel out noise even though there's no active noise cancellation, and they did great in our shake test, so they don't fall off as well. Now if you're using a OnePlus device, you can use the OnePlus Buds app, which is pre-built into the Bluetooth settings. Once your buds is connected, there is no volume control, and only the double tap feature is there, which you can map to either pause, play, voice assistant, and previous to next track. There's also support for AAC codec, as I mentioned earlier, and via this you can also auto update your firmware and find your device via Bluetooth. So in case you misplace your device, it will ring if you use this function. And if you're using any other Android device, then you can use the Hey Melody app, which provides support for OnePlus and Oppo buds. There's nothing much here other than the battery percentages, and you can map the double tap settings and update your firmware. And there is absolutely no app support for iOS, so whatever uh, options you have preset earlier, if you use it with an iOS device, the same options will work for them as well. Now battery life is okay. OnePlus claims about 5 hours of battery life on a single charge and an extra 15 hours from the case. Also it offers 3 hours of battery on a 10 minutes charge. I got about 4 hours on a single charge. Now these buds are also IP55 rated, meaning you can take them for a workout, which is excellent at this price point. And lastly, the microphone works great too for calls and video calls, and here is a sample.
So yes guys, this is an audio sample straight from the OnePlus Buds Z Steven Harrington edition. So OnePlus has usually been very good with the microphones, even in the Bullet Wireless series. So yeah, there's no problem with this. I think you can judge how the audio quality is.
So my final take is, I think if you are a fan of this design, you can certainly go buy this. This is certainly a head turner and a break from the other bland looking TWS earphones with their stalks hanging out in their mundane colors. This provides a great overall package in the price. Also, if you don't like this colorway or are looking for better sound quality, you can definitely check out Oppo's Enco series as well. So that's it in this video guys. If you liked it, please drop a like and please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.